We're about ready to get going here with our trophy awards here at Gary's Classic Car Elks.
Okay, we're going to start our trophies. After our trophies, we'll make a few announcements. If you are not going to stay for the drawing, that's when I would appreciate it if you would leave, so it doesn't disrupt people hearing what numbers we're calling off. If you're going to fire up and leave, that would be the time to do it. I appreciate that.
Wow, that's pretty strong. That's pretty strong, huh?
Here we go, our first category tonight, Sweetest Ride, sponsored by Dano Live.
Hey, how about that?
Dano does all these videos for us. He's up on YouTube. Subscribe to his channel. We got to get him over 3 million views this year. We're getting close. Wow. But and lots more subscribers. So it's all free. Doesn't cost you a nickel to watch. So please subscribe to Dano, and he is internationally famous.
Yeah. Thank you, Gary. As I like to say locally, we're
here we go. Sweetest Ride, sponsored by Dano, goes to car number 19. A 1941 Graham Holly Wagon, Brent from Cyprus.
Hey, Graham. Wow. How about that? This must be Brent from Cyprus.
I'm believing you're correct.
Yeah.
Great car. You've been here before? Oh, yeah. Yeah. You don't see me here. There we go.
All right.
Congratulations, Brent. Thank you for coming to the Elks. Well, I got to get my GPS fixed. Here we go. Best truck in memory of Ray Thornton goes to car number 16, a 1967 Chevy van, Roland from Puerto Port.
With the bucket seats, a surfboard in between them, surfboard on a roof rack.
Roland's up here accepting the trophy. I got 2 guys stealing parts off of his van.
How you doing, buddy?
All right.
Smile. There you go. Thank you again.
How about that?
Congratulations, Roland. Thank you for coming to the Elks. Our next category, Best Original, sponsored by Starbucks Coffee. Every second Tuesday of the month, Starbucks is out at Carl's giving away free coffee for us. Going through about 15, 20 gallons of coffee, so come on out and see us, especially on the second Tuesday of every month. Goes to car number 40, a 1967 Ford Mustang, Danny from Carson.
Whoa. Danny from Carson. Good first name. Yeah, he's grabbing a Mustang trophy. How about that?
There you go.
Dano Live or Dano Vision.
There you go. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Danny. Thank you for coming to the Elks. Our next category, Project Car, sponsored by West Coast Muffler, goes to car number 68, a 1965 Buick Riviera, Bill from Lakewood.
Oh, the Riviera, I thought it was 64, but it's 65. I told you a story about my Riviera story. Oh, sneaking up behind me.
There you go.
How about that, huh? Yeah.
Congratulations, Bill. Thank you for coming to the Elks. Our next category, Best Details, sponsored by SoCal Car Culture, goes to car number 8, a 1957 Chevy Bel Air, Bob from Garden Grove.
I think it's this one right here.
Got those brand new mags and tires on there.
American mags, I must say.
Made a world of difference.
And he's a donor derelict.
Yeah. Good to go.
Congratulations, Bob. Thank you for coming to the Elks. Our next category, Veterans Choice, sponsored by the Vet to Vet organization out of Long Beach, goes to car number 27, a 1970 Dodge Challenger. Mike from Anaheim.
How about that? Got a 360 motor in it? A crate motor or 360?
You better mean it.
All right. How about that?
There you go.
Yeah. Cool.
Congratulations, Mike. Thank you for coming to the Elks.
Nice meeting you.
Thank you for your service. Our next category, Best Street Rod, sponsored by Judy Foley, the Buena Park Elks Lodge, goes to car number 69, a 1941 Willys Coupe.
Oh.
And from Whittier.
It's that yellow one. It's yellow.
Very fortunate to have that car down here tonight. He only drives it on Sunday, back and forth to church.
All right.
Smile. There you go. Perfect.
How about
Congratulations, Ed. Thank you for coming to the Elks. Our next category, muscle car. Sponsored by the OC Car Guy, goes to car number 3, a 1968 Chevy Camaro. Mike from Tustin.
68 Chevy Camaro. Oh, wow, huh? The Optima battery track car, Mike.
Smile.
Yeah, how about
There
that?
we go.
He'll be at
Mike
SEMA.
races the Optima Ultimate Street Car.
Yeah.
You'll see him on Facebook all the time. There's all kinds of videos of his car on there.
Yeah.
Came in first and second last week, I believe, Saturday and Sunday.
Yep.
Great job, Mike. Thanks for coming. Our next category, Best Ford, sponsored by Dave's Trophies, goes to car number 78, a 1967 Ford Mustang. Dave from Bellflower.
Hey, look at this. I think he thought you just called a raffle number. No. All right.
Smile. Perfect.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Dave. Thank you for coming to the Elks. Our next category, Best GM, sponsored by Hilco Fastener Warehouse, goes to car number 63, a 1950 Chevy Styleline. Joe from Norwalk.
Chevy Styleline. Wow, huh? How about that, huh?
There you go.
Congratulations,
Cool.
Joe. Thank you for
Way to
coming
go,
to the
Joe.
Elks. Our final category, Best of Show. This is sponsored by Roy Ray Insurance Services. This goes to a car that the first time he was here, we gave him Project Car.
Oh,
And now he gets Best of Show. It's a beautiful car, sponsored by Roy Ray Insurance, car number 72, a 1968 Ford Mustang. Gavin from Garden Grove.
oh, how about that? Yeah, whoa, how about that? Yeah. Young Guns. Yeah. All right. Cool.
We'll get Grandpa to get a picture here too.
That's great, guys.
How about that? Wow.
Congratulations, Gavin. Thank you for coming to the Elks.
about
Beautiful car. Thank you all for bringing these beautiful cars down here. Had 90 cars tonight. The sunshine does it.
There you have it. Trophies award on Dano Vision.